Okay, with these details here, let's answer this question. It reads, if Mr. Das gets 12% annual interest, mind it, he's getting 12% annual interest here on savings, and he wishes to save 30,000 in 2-year period. Okay, now he starts to save now. Okay, and he plans to actually get 30,000 after 2 years, and every year he's actually going to get 12% of the savings here, 12% annual interest, mind it. Okay, how much extra should he save here for the he save in the next year? Okay, question is asking how much extra should he save in the next year, that is in the second year. We have to this one calculate. Please observe. Okay, options are given 1200, 1300, 1400. Okay, there is an option given, there is no need for saving here. So hence first we have to check here. Okay, whatever numbers, whatever values are given here. Okay, using those ones. Okay, if he is investing it at 12% per annum, okay, is he able to get that money here, that 30,000 or not here? Let's first check that one here, and then we'll see how much extra he has to pay. Okay, if he has to. Okay, now let's see here. See here, what do we know? We know this one, that he is actually going to save how much? It is 12% of his total monthly income. That means to say each month he is actually saving how much? It is 12%. Okay, of the monthly income. Mind it, monthly income actually is in two parts here, that is 9228 here and 10% of that 9228. So hence, can I tell it this one? Please see. Okay, we have to calculate it in 2 years here, that is the first year and for the second year. Okay, each month what will be his savings here? Okay, this is savings here each month here. Can I tell this one equal to how much? It is equal to 12%. Right, correct? No, it is equal to 12%. Okay, so here I can tell it is 12% of his monthly income. That monthly income which you are talking of, we can tell it is 9228 plus 10% of 9228. Okay, we got this one equal to how much? It is 110% of how much? It is equal to 9228. Like this we can tell it here. Hold on, we'll calculate. But see here, this is what we are getting it in 1 month here. So it means, okay, in a year, the savings in an year, okay, in 1 year, how much do we get? Is it not this one? Okay, monthly savings multiplied with 12. Okay, so total actually he is going to get how much? It is 12 times of 12% of how much here? It is 110% of how much? It is 9228. Right? Not only in this one first year, even in the second year also he would be saving that one here. Okay, so in the second year also here, okay, his savings actually will equal how much? It is 12 into 12% of how much? It is 110% of, okay, it is 9228 here, like this. This is what he is actually going to save in the second year. Okay, but again, how much is he going to save in 2 years means, of course, it is a sum of these two, no doubt on this one. But again, as per the details, we know that this Mr. Das is getting again 12% annual interest he is getting. That means to say, how much ever he has saved in the first year, okay, he is getting an interest of how much? It is 12% on that. Okay, so if we include the interest actually for this one's 12%, if I'm adding it, please observe. Okay, what do we know in simple interest and compound interest? Our principal plus the interest actually will be equal to the how much? It is the amount. Correct? Okay, if the principal is P here and the interest actually is 12%, that means he is actually getting 12% of a P here. So hence, what can we say the amount as here? That means how much is he going to save? Okay, at the end of 1 year. Okay, he is going to save the principal plus this one 12% of principal here. We could have said this one equal to how much? It is 112%. Okay, it is one. Okay, let me write it here. Okay, he will save how much? It is 112% of the principal. Okay, so here the point to understand is, okay, he is making a savings of how much? It is this amount here. Okay, in the end, by the end of 1 year, but including the interest, including 12% here, we can tell this one the amount that he gets accumulated, that he gets here at the end of 1 year will equal how much? It is 112%. Okay, here it is 112% of how much? Okay, 112% of how much? Here it is 12 into 12%. Okay, of how much? It is 110%. Okay, of 9228. Okay, this is what actually he gets in his account here at the end of 1 year. And then at the end of the second year here, this is the amount that he collects here, and he may get an interest on this one also here. Let us see here how much actually is accumulated in that account here, okay, in the period of 2 years. So can we tell it? It's just the sum of this and this. right? Okay, the sum of these two numbers, that's what we are supposed to calculate. Please see here. Okay, this one here, 12 into 12 by 100 into 110 by 100 into 9228, okay, is actually present in both these parts here. Okay, so hence, okay, adding these two here, what can we tell? It is 112 percentage plus 100 percentage. Okay, will give us how much? It is 212 percentage. So hence we can tell this one, the total savings, okay, the total savings here which we are talking of, okay, we are talking of principal plus the interest. Principal plus interest for the first year, and then just if I'm calculating what is the principal here. Yes, I could add the, okay, the interest also, but even just let's see here what will happen if I only add the principal here. Okay, now see here. Okay, so here I'm supposed to calculate how much is it? It is 12 percentage off. Okay, once again, understand this one. It is 112 percentage here, and here it is 100 percentage. Okay, if I'm adding these two, 112 plus 100, that gives me how much? It is 212. So it is 212 percentage of how much? It is 12 into how much? It is 12 percentage, 12 by 100. Okay, into 110 percentage into 9228. Okay, that's what we are getting here. Okay, I have to calculate this value here and check, is this coming actually more than 30,000 or not? Okay, so let me do it this manner here. I'm going to find this one. Is this number actually greater than 30,000 or not? That's it. Okay, let me calculate this one. Okay, 0 and 0 is getting cancelled. Okay, okay, here I could have said this one, even approximately also here, this one here. Okay, we've already done this one. We got this value equal to how much? It is equal to 10150.8 here. Like this, we have got it here. Right now, okay, next one. So 12 into 12, how much? It is equal to how much? It is 144. 12 into 12 is how much equal to? It is 144 here, and this one is how much? Okay, let me consider this one 200 here approximately, or let me take it approximately 2 times here. Okay, so this part here, I'm going to take it is equal to how much? It is 2 here. 2 into 144, 2 into 144, how much? It is 288. 288 divided by 100 here. Okay, that will give me how much? It is equal to 288 divided by 100 will give me how much? It is 2.88 here. This 2.88 here, and then into a 10150.8 here. Like this, I'm going to calculate here. Please see here. Okay, twice of this one. Okay, even if I'm taking this one approximately 2.5 also, please observe, even if I'm taking 2.5 also, 2.5 and then into wait, 2.5 no, okay, into 5 by 2. Let me do this one. Okay, so 5 by 2 and then into how much? It is 10150.8 if I calculate. Okay, this is how much? 2 5s are 10 here. Okay, 2 7s is a 14, 15, 2 5s is 10 here, and a point, how much? It is 4 here, right? Okay, 5 4s how much? It is 20 here. 5 is 25, 26, 27, that's 35, 36, 37 here. 5 5 how much? It is 25. No, it doesn't. Okay, so now let's calculate here how much is he actually going to save by the end of 2 years here. Let's calculate here how much would that be. It is the amount actually at the end of 1 year plus the savings actually for the second year, and again include the interest also that he's getting in the second year here. Like that we can calculate. So let's do that one here. Okay, the sum of these two here, we are actually going to get it. How much is it? It is 212 percentage of how much? It is 12 and then into a 12 percentage. Okay, into how much? It is 110 divided by 100. Okay, into how much? It is 9228 here. Okay, from the previous one problems here, we know this one. Okay, 110 percentage of 9228 here, we got this one. How much? It is 10150.8 here. Like this we are getting here. Okay, 12 into 12, how much is it? It's equal to 144 here. Right now, so 144 and then into a 212. Let me do here. Okay, so 144 here and then into a 212 here. So this is 288. Here I am getting 144 and a 288 here. To calculate, this is 8, 8, 4, 12, 8, 10, 14, 15. Okay, 8, 9 and 8, 9 and a 10, and this is 3 here. Okay, remember, divided by how much? It is 4 zeros here. Divided by 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here I am getting it approximately equal to how much? It is 3.0528 here. 3.0528 and then multiply it with how much? It is 10150.8 here. Please see here. Okay, even if I'm taking approximately 3 times also here, even if I'm taking approximately 3 times, even if I'm taking 10,000 also, 3 into a 10,000 will be how much? It is 30,000. So hence this number 3.0528 here and multiplied with 10150.8 here will surely be actually greater than how much? It is 30,000. Okay, please observe, even without including the interest accumulated in the second year, we are getting the value in his account to be more than 30,000. Okay, so definitely actually, okay, if he continues to save actually in this manner as given in the description here, he would save how much? He would be getting 30,000, okay, by the end of 2 years here. So hence we can tell this one, there is no need for an extra savings here. Okay, that is the question. Question is asking how much extra should he save in the next year. There is no need for him to save extra here. Okay, now so hence the answer to this question is D here. That is the answer.